All right, Lou. What's going on with the BlackBerry? Heard you're using a BlackBerry. What do you think about it? Must be terrible. Jack, go and get one tweet, one aggressive tweet that's criticizing the fact that I was using the BlackBerry. People are like, this company is washed up. This era is gone. Thing is, while I kind of disagree with them, you want to have the experience for yourself. You want to make up your mind with a little bit of intel. I can't just come out and be like, that product is dead without having tried it. So that's what I've been doing, and you already knew that. Almost 2 weeks, BlackBerry deep. Day-to-day, apps, text messaging, social media, YouTube. Been doing it on the KEY2. I wanted to get to the truth. I wanted to know for certain what my take was gonna be. You don't want to misinform people. You want to give it your best shot. And that's what I've been aiming to do through using this, even though I hated it. Hate's a very strong word. My mom used to tell me that, and she's correct. I didn't hate it. I just hated it. Here's the thing, okay? This keyboard, it existed in a time where these high-quality capacitive displays were not an option. This is some sort of an exercise for me in nostalgia in general. The keyboard, I remember it. The BlackBerry 8800, typing away, BBM. Those were good days. And then I feel this thing and I get this rush. Positive feelings like, that's cool, that's different. Let me see if I can rekindle some of what was. Well, guess what? Nothing was rekindled. It was just annoying. Did I really expect this keyboard to be that great? Because if it was that great, why would anyone have ever changed? In order to fit it in there, you get this small display. With the off-center video, it's not the same aspect ratio as some videos, so then it's like you got bars as well. The annoyances, they started to creep up. For example, everybody's using emojis. You're typing along. It's not one tap, it's over here, then it's over here. Then you're looking around, no search function. That's the BlackBerry keyboard. Okay, fine. Maybe I can work around that. Maybe I can deal. The screen, not the best out there. You get black bars, so your 4.5 inches that you were working with is already smaller. And then this harsh speaker, this tinny, 2 gigs of very fancy, glowing memory. It's just not cutting it for me, It's like things, they start to pile up. That's not even where it ends. You get to the camera and you just want to die. You just want to die. You just want to stop. This right here, this is what this camera is. This is the best way to describe this camera. The contrast, it's not there. The sharpness, it's not there. I haven't had a front-facing camera do this in such a long time. Blurry shots, slow shutter. There's so much light there. How is it lagging that hard? I'm not buying this thing for the cameras. I'm not buying it for the screen. I'm not buying it for the speaker. I never got as fast with this keyboard, I promise you. It's the fact that the numbers, the number pad, you have to hold Alt. The duplicate keys require an Alt press. You felt the lag. Buttons themselves are kind of nice to depress. I like the configurable key on the side. I mapped this to Google Assistant. That's nice to have. The battery life is good. Price, right? This starts at what, 600? Well, starts at 650 and you're getting a Snapdragon 660. At that price point, there are plenty of options with an 845 in it. So it's kind of like, what is this BlackBerry tax that I'm paying? What is this premium? Because I've got this enhanced security, because I have this physical keyboard, and maybe most importantly, because I have this prestigious, established brand name, kind of the Coca-Cola factor here. I think people are gonna buy this. Some real BlackBerry lovers are gonna like it. They're getting the modern treatment. They're getting an upgrade on what they might be used to. But for everyone else, I just can't imagine you reaching for this. My SIM card's already out of here. Do you see that up there? And I took it out and it was a relief. Look, I used it for almost 2 weeks and I cannot tell you to get it. Yes. I felt good, okay? I want to see these products succeed. I want to see options that are viable. I want every video to be like, damn, that's a good option. We want to root for them. If you go up against Mike Tyson, it's not enough to just beat him. You got to knock him out. And somebody trying to come with a keyboard in 2018 with a name like theirs, it's not enough to just exist. This product knocked nothing out. I don't know if this is what a BlackBerry has to look like forever. I don't know what happens here. If I don't think you should buy this phone, I think your money's better spent elsewhere. That's my opinion. That's what you signed up for. That's why you're here. That's why I'm here. I'm going to break it down for you, all right? I put the responsibility on me to be as honest as I possibly can. I believe this is what I've done here today. I hope you appreciate it. I appreciate you, and I will catch you on the next video. Okay, goodbye.